If you're just starting to invest, you've probably asked this: should I go for quick profits or play the long game? The truth is, both can build wealth, but only one will keep it. Let's break it down: short-term versus long-term investing, and find out which one actually wins for beginners. Short-term investing means you're buying and selling within months or even days, hoping to catch quick gains. You'll see this a lot on social media: day trading, options, crypto flips, and hype stocks. And yes, some people make fast profits. But here's the catch: most beginners lose more than they win. Why? Because short-term investing isn't about luck. It's about timing, emotion, and experience. And beginners usually have none of those yet. Short-term investing feels exciting. Dopamine hits, fast results. But that's the trap. It teaches your brain to chase speed, not growth. If you treat investing like a casino, you'll get casino results. Short-term success doesn't build long-term freedom. It builds addiction. Now let's talk about long-term investing, the quiet, patient kind. You're not checking your portfolio every day. You're focused on 10+ years. You invest in strong companies, index funds, or ETFs that grow with time. This is where compounding does its magic. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Because when your returns start earning returns, wealth snowballs. So does that mean short-term investing is bad? Not necessarily. Think of short-term investing like seasoning. It adds flavor but shouldn't be the whole meal. Use 10 to 20% of your portfolio for short-term plays or experiments. But keep your foundation, 80-90%, in long-term growth. That balance gives you stability and excitement without risking your future. Here's how to start. Step 1. Automate your investing every paycheck. Step 2. Focus on ETFs or index funds like S&P 500 or NASDAQ. Step 3. Ignore daily noise. Your job is to stay consistent. Short-term investing makes you money. Long-term investing makes you wealthy. And the best investors? They master both with patience. Subscribe to WealthSync for weekly investing guides that actually make sense. And tell me below, are you team short-term or team long-term?